Hi students, in integers we have seen about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers already in the previous class. What is natural numbers? Starting from 1, 2, 3. Set of natural numbers is denoted by n. Counting numbers, they are called counting numbers or positive integers. Whole numbers means starts from 0. And what about integers? Z or I. It is denoted by Z or I. Starts from 0, right side positive integers, left side negative integers, right? There is no end of positive and negative. There is no greatest number and least number also in the set of integers. Okay? Right from 0, value will be increasing always. Left side of 0, when we go from left to 0, from 0 to left side, it will be decreasing. Remember that. And 0 is always greater than negative numbers and less than positive numbers. Remember that point. Okay? Look at that question once. What is that question? Write all the integers between 3 and 10. Can you say? First answer. All integers between 3 and 10 are, say 3 and 10 are between, they said. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Between 3 and 10 we have 6 integers. Second, what are the integers between -3 and 6? All integers between -3 and 6 are, say -3 means next number is what? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number is 6. Okay? So that way we have to write. Number line you must remember. Okay? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ascending order. All integers between -7 and 0 are, immediately -7, what do you have? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Next number is 0. So it is already given there. So -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Next, fourth one. All integers between -12 and -8 are -12. -12 after what will you get? -11, -10, -9, okay, -8. Next one is already given there. Okay? Next, all integers between -20 and -14 are, -20 immediately -19, -18, -17, -16, -15. Next -14. It is already there. Okay, sixth one. All integers between, integers means positive numbers, negative numbers including 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. All integers between -8 and 4 are -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. next number is 4. Okay, this is the way we have to find the integers between given two integers. Okay, note down. Next one. Second question. Fill in the blanks by using greater than or less than or equal to in each of the following. First one, -5, 3. Second one, 0, -4. Third one, -8, -14. -23, -16. 15, -15. -1, -12. 9, -1. -9, 1. -9, -1. Okay. So when we see the number line, what is our set of integers? This is 0. Right side of 0 we will have positive numbers for positive integers 1, 2, 3. Left side -1, -2, -3 up to infinity this side and infinity that side. Okay, minus infinity this side and minus infinity, unlimited. Now I told you already, all the positive integers are greater than negative integers, or all the negative integers are less than positive integers. So which symbol you should keep here? Less than. 3 is greater. Okay. Now I told you already, 0 is always more than all the negative integers. 0 is always greater than all the negative integers. So when we move from this side to right side, value will be increasing. So 0 is always greater than all the negative integers. Okay. So greater than. Now here -8, -14. Where will you get -8? After getting -8 only we will get -14. So which one is more here? -8 is more. After -8 only we will get -14. So -8 only more. Here -23 or -16. After getting -16 only we will get -23. So less than. Don't think that 23 is more than 16. No, negative is there. So positive number, negative number. So positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. -1 and -12. After getting -1 only we will get -12. 9 means positive number. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers, negative integers. So here less than. Here after getting -1 only we will get -9. So less than. Clear? So comparison of integers is very important. Okay, and writing in ascending order, descending order, you must be able to understand. So we'll see the next question. Third question. Write the opposite of each of the following statements. First one, gain of rupees 90. Okay, gain of rupees 90. 70 meters above sea level. Above sea level. Okay, 70 meters above sea level. Just opposite to you must write. 200 meters due west. Fourth, 25% increase. 25% increase. 10 degrees Celsius below freezing point. Below freezing point. Freezing point. 10 degrees Celsius below freezing point. 30 meters due to the left. To the left. Below average. Below average. Below average. Gaining a weight of 1 kg. Gaining a weight of 1 kg. Next, depositing rupees 500 in a bank. Depositing rupees in a bank plus 45. 11 minus 50. Okay, that is the question. Now look at the answers here. Okay, gain of, write the opposite of each of the following statement. Just opposite. Gain of rupees 90 means what? Loss of rupees 90. What is the opposite to the gain? Loss. Simple. 70 meters above sea level. Above means opposite is what? Below. So 70 meters below sea level. Clear? 200 meters due west. What is the opposite direction to the west? West to east, west, north, south. So east. 200 meters due east, opposite. 25% increase means 25% increase means opposite is what? Decrease. 10 degrees Celsius below freezing point. Below means above freezing point. 10 degrees Celsius above freezing point. 30 meters to the left. 30 meters to the left opposite is what? Right. Right side. Below average. Below means above average. Above average. Gaining a weight of 1 kg. Losing a weight of. Gaining means losing here. Weight of 1 kg. Gaining a weight of 1 kg opposite is what? Losing a weight of 1 kg. Depositing rupees 500 in a bank. Depositing means opposite is what? Withdrawing. Okay. Withdrawing rupees 500 from a bank. From a bank. Not in a bank. From a bank. Plus 45 opposite is what? Minus 45. Minus 50 opposite what? Plus 50. Okay. That is the end of solution. We will see some more problems in the next class. Okay. Thank you.